Hello, this is Travis Usinger from the University of Colorado. In today's meditation, we're going to practice mindfulness of the body with a little bit more silence. In this meditation, there's going to be less guidance. So there will be about 30 seconds of silence between each instruction. So make sure that you have at least 10 minutes of free time before starting this meditation. We'll find a comfortable seated position, sitting on a chair or on the floor if that's comfortable for you. Feeling the weight of the body sinking down towards the floor. And the weight coming down onto the hip bones and the feet. We'll expand that awareness from where we're sitting to expand into the entire body. Getting a sense of what it's like to be in your body right now. Now, we'll move through the body like a flashlight, moving through and bringing your attention to the different areas of the body. So we'll scan the front half of the body, moving from the head and the face down the front of the body, going at your own pace for the next 30 seconds. You can notice areas of tightness, areas that feel comfortable or uncomfortable. Scanning from the head to the toes on the front side of the body. We'll move the attention to the back side of the body, from the top of the head, down the neck, the back, the hips, the back of the leg, to the feet. Going to whatever area of the body you feel like you want to bring more attention to. And scanning over it, bringing the light of your attention to this area of the body. moving the attention to the right arm, scanning through the arm from the shoulder to the fingertips, feeling any sensations of warmth or coolness. Noticing any tingling sensations. Moving the attention to the left arm. Feeling all the sensations from the shoulder down to the fingertips. Noticing the temperature of the arm. Noticing any tingling sensations. Moving the attention to the right leg, feeling that leg from the hip down to the toes. Moving the attention to the left leg, feeling that leg from the hip to the toes. Returning back to a more full body awareness. Feeling the entire body from head to toes. Now scanning through the body again, like a flashlight, moving through various areas of the body at your own pace. Feeling like the bubble of your awareness is encompassing the entire body. We'll take a few more moments. And slowly coming back, bringing movement into the fingers and the hands. Returning back to an active mindset. Thank you for practicing this meditation with me today. And we'll continue our meditation practice tomorrow.